look at me like that? You aren't the only one who's trapped. They expect me to cook it again. I mean, I'm not vicious. I wasn't trying to cook. I was just trying to stay out of trouble. You're the one who was getting fancy with the spices. What do you throw in there? Oregano? No. What, a rosemary? That's a spice, isn't it? Rosemary? You didn't throw rosemary in there? Then what was all the flipping and all the throwing and the... I need this job. I've lost so many. I don't know how to cook, and now I'm actually talking to a rat as if you... Huh? Did you nod? Have you been nodding? Huh? You understand me? So I'm not crazy. Wait a second, I can't cook, can I? But you can, right? Look, don't be so modest. You're a rat, for Pete's sake. Whatever you did, they liked it. Yeah, this could work. Hey, they like the soup. Ah! They like the soup. Do you think you could do it again? Okay, I'm gonna let you out now. But we're together on this, right? Okay. So this is it. I mean, it's not much, but it's you know, not much. Could be worse. There's heat and light and a couch with a TV, so you know, what's mine is yours.
Are you? Is this a dream?
The best kind of dream. One we can share.
But why here? Why now?
Why not here?